Finally, you can play Android games on PC. Beta is out, you can download the installer and play like me. You can go to play.google.com/googleplaygames. I had installed it beforehand. No Aero on AMD CPU and my PC has Hyperv enabled. No ideal if it is running emulation from Hyperv, or for my Android SDK Studio. I am not able to find all my favorite games, but at least can saw SAO inside top game choice for me. It require you to sign in your Google Play account. As my PC has default Edge sign-in, I had to copy the URL into Chrome. It allow me to sign in but show error. Again, it show a retry button. I click on it and it was successful. The app show my account and I can see library show some of my games already own. But funny thing, I can't find those games that is like Goods Match 3D, Merge In, but I can see Township, not even Viking Rise or Rise of Culture. Anyway, SAO is top game I want to play. Let's just skip the character part. And I skip the loading part. Great, I went into the game. No error or hiccups. You should be able to enjoy same as me. Bye.